Hey guys, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you the navigational controls for Blender. If you just click outside this box, it'll take you to the main screen, user perspective view. And so over here you can see cube, but if I click the left mouse button, it just puts this somewhere else. How am I going to rotate? How am I going to move around? So in order to rotate this entire plane, you need to hold the middle mouse button, and then just drag it around. You can rotate here and here. So the middle mouse button is used for rotation. Now, what if you want to go up or down or left or right? You can hold shift and then you can press the middle mouse button and drag. It's gonna let you go up and down, left and right, but it doesn't take you forward. If you wanna move forward, you could try zooming in using the middle mouse button, or zooming in and zooming out. So yeah, you can kind of practice around with the navigational tools, zooming in, zooming out, trying to move closer, trying to go around different points of the object. And oh yeah, if you're wondering why my Blender software looks different from yours, go to File, User Preferences, and over here you can change the presets of Blender. So you can make it look like this, or this, or anything. But for now, I like this preset, so I'm gonna save it. Save user settings, and then close. Okay, so now you might be wondering, what is this circle for? This red and white circle? I mean, when you click the left mouse button, it goes and follows you even when you rotate or zoom in. Well, as of right now, I know that what you could do with this cursor object, you can actually add an object to it. So for example, let's try a mesh. Let's try adding a cube. You can add it at the position of the cursor of the red and white circle. You can try adding maybe a icosphere, which looks more like a disco ball. So you can kind of get a feel as to like how to place your objects, how to place new objects. So you might be wondering, how do I delete these objects? And you could do a more manual way. You could go to object, you could look for delete, and then it says OK, and then left click delete. An easier way would be a shortcut. Press your delete key, it would say OK, and delete. How do you select the objects? You could just right click it. You will automatically select the object by right clicking it, and then you can press the delete key and then delete. Now there's also a shortcut for adding objects. You know the manual method, add, mesh, cube, but you could also try Shift A, mesh, cube. Meshes are basically three-dimensional objects that you could sculpt and remodel later in Blender. So You right click it to select it, delete. You use your left button to pick which position you want to create an object. You can rotate the plane using the middle mouse button. You can go up, you can go down, you can zoom in, and yeah. I think those are the most basic functions in Blender. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I wish you luck. Later.